Question 14. Let's go. If alpha and beta are the roots of 7x squared plus 12x minus 4 equal to 0, find the value of alpha beta over alpha plus beta squared. So this is a question on quadratic equation, specifically sum and product of roots. Let's go. So to simplify this, I first need to consider the given equation. That is 7x squared plus 12x minus 4 equals to 0. Now, if you compare this with the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, you will see that a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 12 and c will be equal to -4. Now, we are not done. The next thing is to consider, since they said alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, so that means if you solve this equation, the two answers you will get. So they have asked you to take the first one as alpha, take the second one as beta. Now, we need to do something. Sum of roots is known as alpha plus beta. If you add the two roots together, that's alpha plus beta. And there is a standard for that. So alpha plus beta is negative b over a. That's minus b over a. So what is my b here? That is 12. That is minus 12 over what is a from here? That is 7. Then we also need the product of roots, which is alpha beta. Alpha beta is the product of root, and the formula for alpha beta is c over a. What is c from here? C is -4 and a is 7. So I will have -4 over 7. So the next thing is to go to the question back. This is what they asked me to evaluate. So I will have alpha beta over alpha plus beta squared. So what I will just do is I will substitute the value of alpha beta and alpha plus beta. So let's go. Alpha beta is -4 over 7, all divided by alpha beta squared, that is minus 12 over 7 all squared. So deal with this first. So I will have -4 over 7 all divided by minus 12 squared. -12 squared, that's 144. It becomes positive. And 7 squared will give me 49. So this is 144 over 49. Don't stress yourself. If you are faced with something like this 7 can go here once. 7 can go in 49 7 times. So don't waste your time. Next is that 4 can divide this. So you can correspond them like that. Denominator divides denominator and numerator divides numerator. 4 here 1. 4 in 144. That will give me 39. If I'm not mistaken, that's 30. Sorry, that is 38. That should give us 38 because 4 in 14, that's 3, remainder 2. Then 4 in 24, that would, 36, I'm sorry, 36, that is 36. So I'm not very good at quickly calculating like that. So this will now be equal to, that is 36. Then we now have, what are we left with on top? We are left with ordinary minus 1 divided by 30, because minus 1 over 1, that will give me 1. So divided by 36 over 7. So what you just need to do, if you are dividing 1 by a fraction, you just need to swap around the fraction. Let the denominator becomes the numerator, and let the numerator becomes the denominator. So I can clear this part away. Let me clear this part away. So that means my final answer for this particular part will be -7 all over 36. So if I swap between the numerator and the denominator, I have -7 all over 36. So the option that best describes the answer is option C. Thank you.